Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI. Digital transformation powered by real-time autonomous and intelligent algorithms. Presents the short conference, Artificial Hypothalamus Structure. It corresponds to one of several short conferences, in which the advances of HI research are presented, on the topic of artificial brains and decision-making artificial intelligence. The list of short introductory lectures to decision-making artificial intelligence are presented in the picture. Artificial hypothalamus structure. Artificial brain implementation. The algorithm that simulates the hypothalamus is assembled by Optex, the HI's artificial intelligence, to generate mathematical programming solutions, using the models that traditionally make up a decision support system. Artificial brains are backed by the technological capacity of computing. It is traditional to associate mathematical modeling with large-scale computing, which today is linked to cloud computing, integrated by supercomputers of bits, and by the birth of quantum computers, which are the beginning of a new era. The current state of the computer technologies involves the integration of edge computing and cloud computing to implement systems with multiple highly complex mathematical models that can be run in parallel. This allows us to talk about autonomous real-time distributed optimization. Oil and gas artificial brains. Artificial brains examples. The interested party is invited to watch the video. Oil and gas artificial brains. Oil and gas artificial brains. Not every artificial brain should be for an organization. The cyclist's artificial brain, that could be built with $100, is an example of an artificial brain for a person, which must use the mental intelligence that he has accumulated. The goal is to accelerate the processes of calculation and data acquisition, to have a great journey. Specific objectives may be: minimize energy consumption for a fixed time, or minimize travel time for a predetermined distance. The artificial brain may consist of hardware, IP known, and CPU yard. I/O Raspberry. Databases, traffic, climate, and terrain. Data acquisition, GPS, and a mathematical model. The image presents the artificial brain of the cyclist. Everything can be connected. Algorithms swarm. If large-scale multi-level optimization methodologies, based partitioning and decomposition of systems, are applied to get the smallest atom of a dynamic stochastic, the number of algorithms they generate could become countless. If parallel processing technologies, such as microservices, are used, the solution of a mathematical problem would be carried out by a swarm of algorithms that work autonomously and permanently to achieve the goal proposed by the decision maker. This algorithm swarm approach is currently used in artificial intelligence to manage swarms of robots. But the rules that robots follow are simple, logical and intuitive, and have no solid mathematical basis. An artificial brain can be visualized as a swarm of algorithms, cognitive robots, which have a communication structure based on a multi-level sparse matrix, and whose communication protocol is governed by mathematical laws aimed at obtaining team results. Not teaching young professionals the principles of parallel rationing, derived from the new mathematics, is a serious mistake. Each society that does so will end up paying its consequences, which in simple words, will lead to poverty, and a growing scientific backwardness, an abyss, which generates two different worlds that will not be compatible. Thank you for your attention.